Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Monday, 23 March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 224.24 and with VAT is 257.88. 22 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 205.85 and with VAT is 236.73. For 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 196.21 and with VAT is 225.64. For 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 168.18 and with VAT is 193.41. For 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 131.18 and with VAT is 150.86. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 93.51 and with VAT is 107.54. For 6 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 56.06 and with VAT is 64.47. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.